Rachel. Get Rachel on there. Can you hear when you talk on that?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, Rachel, do it.
This is Rachel peeling a coconut. Very, very slow.
Sarah! It's
Very
taken her about
slow.
20 minutes to peel this.
What mess?
Yeah, what mess?
Yeah.
Come on.
Well, give him that screwdriver back and I'll be right.
Like this?
My feet holding it.
Get a straining face.
Don't be an idiot.
No, I'm going to start.
Go here,
Yeah, Mum, you have to see Dad.
Oh, you just missed that big bit I just took off.
You ready?
Watch how fast you can do it, Mum.
Yeah, I'm going to get it first. That's why I said this will be the first one, not the play up.
Watch the big door.
Got it. This one's going to play up.
Chill out, that means you watch to be Rachel.
There you go, Rach.
Yes.
Finished.
You're pretty close, right?
Got a message from Jessica.
Yeah.
For the mummy. Okay.
Well, yeah. I'll see you later, darling.
Oh, we'll come back later, okay, Rachel?
Go,
Yeah.
Rach.
I'm trying.
Yeah, we'll be here.
Maybe not out here.
No, not out here. Rachel will be.
Whatever, I'm nearly done. Already?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Oh, come on.
I didn't know you were
Go,
still
Ray.
recording.
Go, Rach. It's still gone. No, get the screwdriver. Go.
Ready?
Go, Rach. Go, Rach. Done.
There. Oh yeah. You see that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's a real coconut.
See how big it is compared to your head.
So,